Okay, so we have a question about some students and their grade on a test, and 3 students chosen at random without replacement, and that's going to be important here, so let's underline that. What's the probability that all 3 got a B? So the probability of all 3 getting their B, well, we have a number of equations that we can resort to, but really this is basically saying that the probability of the first getting the B and the probability of the second getting B and the probability of the third. So if we can determine the probability of each one of those and just multiply them, that seems like a pretty reasonable way of approaching this one. So let's take a look. So the first student that we're considering here, we haven't chosen anybody yet, so we know that the probability is 7 out of 20. There were 7 students who got a B, and there are 20 students total. Okay, that's out of the way. What about the second? Now, again, we go back to the fact that there's no replacement here, and that does impact it, because now we only have 6 Bs left in our selection. So, and we also have 19 students total, because one has already been chosen, and that particular one was a B. So the third, again, without replacement, tells us that we only have 5 Bs left, and we only have 18 total students left. So there we go. And if we multiply all those out, we come up with, pull out the calculator, and you come up with 210 over 6840. All right, and right away we see the zeros at the end, so reducing down, we can start off with that. And then probably pull out the calculator, and taking a look at the top, dividing by 3 or dividing by 7 might be good ones to try. Dividing by 3, and we see that 21 divided by 3 is 7. And we maybe stick that in our calculator. 684 divided by 3, 228. So it works out nicely. And so we would consider that our final answer.